Hello kids, I'm Hima. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to Coding Classes for Kids. Here I'll be teaching you how to code your own game. So are you ready and excited? So thank you subscribers for subscribing my channel, and if you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification. This is chapter 3. If you want the chapter 1 and chapter 2 links, you can find it in the description box. Now chapter 3, loops. Loops is action that repeats a certain number of times. There are types of loops. There is a repeat loop and a forever loop. So let me give you a clear example about the repeat loop first. You can see a little boy. I told him to raise his hand 5 times. So he raised only for 5 times. There is a limit. After 5, he is not going to raise his hand. So this is called a repeat. Now here you can see the deers are jumping again and again and again and again. No limit on how many times they are repeating. This is called a forever loop. Hope it is clear. Now let's move on. Open your Chrome. Enter the scratch.edu. Then click on create. Then click on new. Like create and then new. Now we'll start learning how to use repeat blocks in our coding. So I'm going to use the cat sprite here. I'm going to click on events. Take when clicked on the sprite. Then I'm going to the controls. I'm going to take repeat. Okay. Then I'm going to the motion and I'm going to take move 10 steps. I'm going to keep it inside the repeat, like as you can see. Now I'm going to maximize my screen, and when I click on the, did you see he's moving only 10 steps. Okay, now let me minimize it. Let me delete the sprite, and I want to show you now forever loop. So I'm going to choose a sprite again, and I choose the ballerina. I'm going to click on events, and I'm going to take when clicked on the flag. Then I'm going to take turn right 10 steps. Okay, then I'm going to the controls, take the forever loop. You can see this is called a forever loop. You should keep it inside the loop. Okay, now let me maximize the screen, and when I click on the flag, did you see she's continuously turning? There's no stop. So this is called a forever loop. Okay, now today's game. So today we are going to create a game called Dino Dance Battle. So are you ready? Let's start. Yay! Even I am so happy to this, Come on, let's start. So click on create and new. Then name it as Dino Dance Battle. And we are going to choose a background. That is a dinosaur's park. Now I'm going to choose a sprite. What we need? We need a dino, right? So I'm going to choose a dino here. Yes. Yeah, you can set the dino size also if you wish. Okay. Then I'm going to click on events, and I'm going to take when clicked on the flag. Okay. Okay, it's because whenever we click on the flag, we are taking only when clicked on the flag. That is very important. Okay. Now let me take go to. I want it is in the center. I want it to start from the left side corner. So I'm going to take it minus 90 and 0. Then I'm going to the looks. I'm going to take show because it should show right from there. That is the reason I'm picking show. Then I'm going to change. Okay, so here you can see switch the costume to. So there are many costumes. That is we have to start from the costume 1 so that it will keep on be changing. Okay, now set color 2. That clears any coloring effects. So if any coloring disorders, it will clear. Then I will take a say that display image that shall be battle for 2 seconds. Okay, it will be in a speech bubble. Okay, now let me go to the controls and take wait and add 2 seconds delay, because after he says the dialogue I want it to make for 2 seconds. That is called the delay. I'm going to the control, pick repeat, and I'm going to write 6 times inside the repeat. Then I'm going to the looks and I'm going to take next costume, because after the changes, the Dino changes costume to the next costume. Okay, then I'm going to change color effect by 25, because changes the color of the Dino. I want the Dino to change colors. Okay, then we have to give some time second, right? So first it will change the color. It can't repeatedly changing, so I want to give some time. So I'm going to take control and add a wait, and I'm going to add 0.25 seconds. Okay, short delay before start the next repetition. Okay, now I'm going to the motion and take glide. Okay, what does a glide mean? Okay, so let me show you first glide. Yeah, this is called the glide block. Okay, so it makes the Dino to move little. Glide is nothing but motion. It will move from the left side of the stage to the right side. So I'm going to make it 3 steps, and I'm going to write the x-axis as 180 and y-axis as 0. Okay, hope it is clear, kids. Now I'm going to take hide. So hide makes the Dino disappear once it reaches the right side. Now let me maximize. Let's click on the flag and see how does it work. Did you see that? Now did you see how it's changing the colors? Nee. Now it's going to glide, that is move 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3. Then it disappeared. Did you see that? Isn't it great? Good. Now let's make a new sprite. We have to choose another Dino. Here I'm going to choose a Dino, this red one. Isn't it pretty? But it is turning towards east or right. So first I'm going to take EC when clicked on the flag. Then I'm going to take go to 88. I'm going to take go to, and I'm going to take 88 and y equals to 0, because I want it to be towards little in the east. So east means it is always positive number. That is the reason we are taking 88, and I want it to the center of the line, that is where y equals to 0. Now I'm going to make it point direction, because it is facing in that east, right? That is what it was having 90. When it is turning towards the west, it will become minus 90. Did you see? But it is upside down, isn't it? So I'm going to take set rotation style. Okay, because it is upside down, we can't have a battle like this. So I'm going to change this, and now look into it. How does it look? Wow, is it perfect now? Right, now it is ready for coding the rest of the part. So we are going to code the same as we coded for the green Dino. Okay, so first what we are going to do, go to the looks, take show, then I'm going to switch the costume too. I told you, right, where there are 4 costumes, I'm going to pick the first one, so that it will be keep on switching to the second, third, fourth. Okay, then I'm going to set the color. So if any chance there are any color defects, it will make it to 0. Now wait for 2 seconds. Then he have to say some dialogue, right? Then what he needs to say, you can add many dialogues, like whatever you wish, you can make it do. But here I want a simple message, so I'm going to take let's dance battle. Okay, then I'm going to the controls, and I'm going to take repeat. What was the number we used there? We are going to use the same number because they have to stop at the same. So I'm going to make it to 60. Then I'm going to the looks and pick the next costume, because the Dino changes the costume to the next costume. Now change the color by 25. So changes the color of the Dino. Now go to the control and I'm going to take wait. So this adds a short delay before the start of the next repetition, right? So I made it 0.25. Now it should turn, right? So that is the reason I'm taking it point direction, because it is facing towards the west. It should turn towards the right direction. That is the reason I'm making it to 90. Is it clear? Hope it is clear, kids. Then I'm going to add glide. So you can see he's little one step forward to the green dino. That is the reason I'm making it only 2 glide, and I'm going to make it 180 and 0. So this makes the dino move from left side of the stage to the right side of the stage. Then it should get hide, isn't it? Now let's maximize the screen and click on the flag. Look at it. And they're going to dance. Wow! Isn't it great? Like two friends are dancing. They met after a long time. Like how you both, when you meet your friend, you hug your friend and you dance with your friend. Similarly. So isn't it good? Now when they left the party, hide. But dance party means we should have some music. Don't you think so? So let's add some sound. You can see the sound icon at the top, right? Here also you have, but before that you can add this when click either in the green dino or in the red dino. Okay, then I'm taking this when clicked on the flag. Then you can take this play. First we'll wait, because once the green dino will say a dialogue, then the red dino will say a dialogue, so we need to wait for 4 seconds. Then I'm going to pick the play. You can even click on record and you can sing your song. Click on record and sing your song. Okay, I'm going to choose a sound. Okay, and because it is a dance, I'm going to take a dance. I'm going to search directly and I'm going to pick dance around. And I'm going to the code again. And I'm going to see, you can see here, play sound, dance around until done. Okay, so until it is done, the sound will be played. Now let's look into it. Yay, party done. Hope you had fun. Isn't it great? So try to create your own sprites, save it, and surprise your mom and dad showing them this project. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed today's class. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and see you soon. In the next class, I'm going to teach much more fun. We are going to create another game. Bye bye. Take care. Miss you. Bye.